Assalamu alaikum, friends. I am at Manasbal. Manasbal is the deepest lake, the most beautiful lake of India. And today, 20th February, I am here and I have come for the purpose of water birds. I hope I can see them. Oh, it is snowing this time. And oh, wow. You can see the water birds enjoying moving here and there. They are enjoying this season, the cold and the snow, and it's a good sign for us. We hope the number of these birds will grow. We must congratulate this wildlife department. They are implementing the ban, poaching, the killing of these tiny birds. Hope the Manasbal will be a bird's paradise in future. People will come and enjoy watching these birds. Thank you for watching.